Hey all, my name is Nirishi Santosh Naik. Today I am going to make a new free energy water pump because some of you commented that increase the level of tank and increase the level of output level. So these are the materials which I am used. So I am going to explain it. This is a 6-inch 6-foot pipe which I am using like a tank to make it. So next I am going to use the two end caps and close it by both the sides. So this is 1-inch 6-foot pipe, and next some M seals, kicks and some gums, nipple. So I have used two end caps and a reducer, and this one too. So this is a tape to measure the length, and a black pipe So you can see I have fixed a football to this football. You know the working of this football. So some tool kits to cut down the pipes and all, and a tap to leave the water. So that was about the materials. So at first I am using this end cap. I will use that end cap at the top of this pipe. So I am going to plug two holes in it, one over here and one over here. So I am going to fix two nipple over here like this. That one is the water supply inside and one would leave the air outside. So over here I am going to plug two holes in it, and the third one, it is the inlet. So over I am plugging this over here and leaving the end cap. I am going to plug this over here. This will be the water inlet, and the next one will be at the bottom of this. So I will use this end cap over here, and I will plug a hole over here that it is the outlet of the system. Now I am going to assemble the parts. So as you can see, I have drilled 4 holes in it, 2 over here and one here and one at the bottom, as you can see. So I have fixed the nippons, 3 nippons I am fixed, and one I am going to fix at the bottom. So at last I will close this like this with the end cap, but now I will not, because it will help me to keep it like this and fix it. As you can see, I have fixed this pipe already. So now I am going to fix this over here. So now I will fix this completely. You can see inside this. See over here, I am fixing this. You can see it is fixed now. Yes, it is fixed now. So I am going to put the end cap. It will be like this at the last when I will fix it over there. It will be like this. So which pipe you can see, this will be the inlet, and these two upper pipes will be to fill the water inside the tank, and this will be the outlet of the water. So this is the inlet pipe. So I am going to fix this over here. So as you can see, I have fixed the inlet pipe. Next, I will connect this pipe to this pipe which is connected with football. So here is a coupling to connect both this. So I have fixed the pipe now. So next to the outlet, for outlet pipe at the end, I have used a 1-inch pipe of 5 foot. So using a coupling, I am going to fix this and the tank. Right like this, and at the end I am going to use a tap that I can leave a amount of water outside, as you can see. So this was about the building of a free energy water pump. So next I am going to show the video how it will work, as few of you told that raise the level of the outlet pipe and increase the level of outlet and increase the level of tank. So I am going to increase the level of tank, and I am going to increase the level of outlet pipe also. Please like and subscribe our channel. So yes, we will measure the height now with using a tape of length meters and foots. So it is 5-meter height, 15 foot. So the outlet pipe is approximately, it is 5 foot, 1.5 meters. So next we'll start the process of free energy water pump. The pipe with the tap is the outlet, and the black color pipe beside it is the inlet of the pump. So guys, now I have built it upon a water supply tank. This tank, you can see, this is our home supply tank. On beside, I have filled this with full water. I can increase the height of tank and as well as the outlet pipe. You can see I have built it as I told you before. So there you can see, that is the outlet, and the green color bucket you can see, that is the inlet. It is down, and that I will show you that. First you can see here. Guys, now I am going to start the process. As you all told, I have lifted the height of the outlet pipe, and I have shortened the inlet pipe's height. As you can see, I have kept the tank over there at that height that the water could lift. So now I am going to start the process. So once you have to lift the water fast, and you have to slow down the water. That how much water will get inside by the small inlet pipe, that much of water should come out of the outlet pipe. As you can see, the inlet pipe is very shorter than the outlet pipe. The outlet pipe is very fatter. So as you can see, the water is lifting now. So, yes, the water is getting in. So the process is working. So I will try to show you that the water is getting in. So the water is getting in. So you can see the full process of the pipe. As you can see, the water is falling. Now I am coming up to show you the further process. You can see this is the downlet. Here the water is falling, and this is the upper pipe. Which you can see. As I told you, I have used the air going pipe as well as 3 hole over here. I have put end caps to it. here is the process. So as you can see, the water is also getting down now. Next I will show you from the downside of the bucket that the water level is low. Please like and subscribe our channel. You can see I am standing over here. You can see I am down now here. You can see that the bucket water level is also decreasing. You can see the water is falling now. You can see the full process. That was about it. As you have seen all the process, if you have any doubt, please comment for this video, and if you like the video, please press the like button, and for more videos please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel.